My brother moved to Texas and warned me, don't visit us in July or August. The summer heat is brutal, and it's not just Texas. Parts of the US and Europe get way too hot, to the point people would prefer to go somewhere else. Not everyone loves a raging sun. You'll find tons of YouTube videos about escaping winter to hot places, but almost none about mild summer escapes. Until now. Better yet, I've found 3 cities in 3 countries where June, July, and August bring perfect weather, no crowds, and prices so low your money stretches twice as far. I've spent years researching the best places for expats and retirees like you to live comfortably, and I'm showing you exactly where to go. So keep watching, because we start with Trujillo, Peru, the city of eternal spring. While you are sweating through 95 Fahrenheit 35 Celsius summer heat back in North America, people in Trujillo are enjoying perfect 70 Fahrenheit 21 Celsius days under clear blue skies. This coastal city in northwestern Peru offers a completely different experience during June, July, and August from what you would expect. It's about 350 miles, 550 kilometers north of Lima, making it easily accessible with a 1-hour flight from the capital. What is surprising is that most people have never ever heard of this hidden gem. Despite being Peru's third largest city with around 900,000 people and incredible history, Trujillo remains off the radar for most travelers. The city earned its nickname City of Eternal Spring for a good reason. Even during winter, you experience minimal rainfall and enjoy 5 to 6 hours of sunshine daily. And outside of the high season, prices are very cheap. Prices are more than 50% lower than during the peak season, and you can find a comfortable hotel for $170 per week, $25 per day. If you want to stay there for longer, they give you some special discounts for staying the entire month. The link for them is in the description and in the comment section. Your money stretches much further there than in most Western countries. Trujillo has an impressive historical background. The city served as Peru's provisional capital during the independence campaign, earning the title of Cradle of Liberty in Peru. What makes it even more special is the chance to explore Chanchan, the largest adobe city in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These spectacular pre-Columbian ruins are from the times of the ancient Moche and Chimu cultures, and you can visit it without fighting through crowds of tourists. The historic center showcases beautiful colonial architecture, and the bright yellow Trujillo Cathedral is one of the most splendid examples. The architecture tells the story of Peru's colonial past in a way that feels authentic rather than staged for tourists. The nearby beach of Huanchaco adds another dimension to your visit. Watch local fishermen using traditional reed boats called caballitos de totora that have been used for centuries. With fewer tourists competing for attention during these months, we'll connect more deeply with locals and experience a more authentic Peru than summer visitors ever will. Here's what locals told us about Trujillo. Open quote. I was born in Trujillo. There is so much to do there, especially horseback riding, amazing restaurants, the best in my opinion next to Lima. The food is great as always in Peru. Chambar is probably the most popular dish along with arroz con pato. End quote. One of the biggest downsides of a longer trip to Peru is dealing with heavy roaming charges when calling home or connecting to data. But that doesn't have to be a problem thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Airlo, which works in all the 3 countries I mentioned in this video. Airlo is a game changer for travelers. With their eSIM technology, you can download and install a digital SIM card directly to your phone, giving you access to local data networks in over 200 countries and regions, including Peru. That means no more outrageous roaming fees or desperately hunting for free Wi-Fi. Getting started is simple. Just download the Airlo app, choose a plan for your destination, install it with step-by-step instructions, and activate it when you arrive. In minutes, you are online and connected. Plus, since it's all digital, there is no need for physical SIM cards, making Airlo a hassle-free, eco-friendly solution. So why wait? Install Airlo today and use my code, the expat3, for $3 off your first eSIM. Stay connected wherever your adventure takes you. The next place on our list is Caracas, Venezuela. No, I'm just kidding. But while you recover from the shock, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. This is really important for us. Florianópolis, Brazil. Imagine walking along pristine beaches with sunny weather and 20 degrees Celsius. By now, I just got lazy to mention Fahrenheit every single time. This is possible because when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in Florianópolis, or Floripa, as locals call it. You won't see this side of Brazil on typical travel shows that focus on the heat and crowds of Rio. This island city in southern Brazil offers a completely different experience during June to August than what you would expect from Brazil's stereotypical hotspots. Connected to the mainland by bridges, Florianópolis combined island living with easy urban access. The Hercílio Luz International Airport connects you to major Brazilian cities and international destinations, making it convenient to reach. While most tourists fear violence and criminality when they think about Brazil, Florianópolis feels like a completely different universe. It's safe. Even during winter, the temperature is sometimes above 20 degrees Celsius. During summer, it goes easily above 30, but then there is some rain, especially in the late summer afternoons after a hot day. The island boasts over 40 well-known beaches spread across 33 miles, 53 kilometers of coastline. Each beach has its own unique character, some perfect for surfing, others for swimming, or just relaxing. The landscape includes sand dunes, pine forests, and mountains, giving you plenty to explore beyond just beaches. Even during summer there, hotel prices are still affordable, outside more upscale places like Jurerê. A tip is to look at Canasvieiras. It's an affordable area with a very nice beach. In June or July, you can stay in a nice hotel with a swimming pool for an entire month for less than $500. This is less than $17 per day. Monthly apartment rentals that cost $1,500 in summer can be found for $700, $800. The city has experienced a tech boom in recent years, creating excellent infrastructure for remote workers. Another advantage of Floripa is that, due to its tourism vacation, there are more people there that speak English than in other popular cities of Brazil. This makes Florianópolis a practical choice for digital nomads looking to escape northern heat while staying connected. Winter brings a special bonus. Southern right whales migrate along the coast starting in July. You can spot these magnificent creatures even from the shore. The Lagoa da Conceição neighborhood maintains its vibrant restaurant scene year-round, and winter brings shorter waits and more attentive service at the city's best spots. This lagoon area is known for water sports, diverse dining options, and nightlife that continues regardless of the season. The calm winter atmosphere reveals the authentic character of this magic island that peak season visitors completely miss. This is what a local told us about Florianópolis during June, July, and August. Open quote. Ocean is cold, but there are less tourists and less traffic. There is still a lot of parties, good fishing, especially tainha, so all in all is a more local experience. Rental rates are cheap. End quote. By the way, I made an entire video where I compared Florianópolis with Rio. It was quite polemic, but everything I said is based on reality and data. The next city is Asunción, Paraguay. While tourists pack into expensive Buenos Aires and Rio, savvy expats are discovering Asunción's perfect 75 Fahrenheit 24 Celsius winter days and prices that seem frozen in the 90s. Paraguay's capital remains one of South America's least visited major cities, creating a real opportunity for people who want to save money while living comfortably. Most people know almost nothing about this mother of cities, one of South America's oldest urban settlements, founded in 1537. The lack of tourism works in your favor if you are looking to experience authentic South American culture without crowds or inflated prices. Winter in Asunción brings the most pleasant weather of the year. From June through August, you enjoy comfortable daytime temperatures around 73 to 79 Fahrenheit, 23 to 26 Celsius, and cool evenings around 55 to 61 Fahrenheit, 13 to 16 Celsius. This creates perfect conditions for exploring the city on foot or relaxing in outdoor cafes. It's also the dry season in a place that sees heavy rainfall other times of year, so you can enjoy consistently sunny days without worry of sudden downpours interrupting your plans. The cost of living there will genuinely surprise you. Modern two-bedroom apartments in good neighborhoods rent for $300, $400 monthly, with utilities rarely exceeding $100. Many expats report living comfortably on just $1,000 to $1,500 per month total, including rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. The city blends colonial charm with modern amenities. You'll find historic sites like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the Palacio de Lopez alongside shopping malls and international restaurants. This mix creates an interesting environment where you can enjoy modern conveniences while experiencing authentic Paraguayan culture. Paraguay's bilingual culture, Spanish and Guarani, creates a unique atmosphere where traditional crafts and customs thrive alongside modern development. For retirees, the relaxed pace of life and extremely affordable healthcare offer significant advantages. Doctor visits typically cost just $15 to $40, a fraction of what you would pay in the US or Canada. Oh, and a curiosity. If you are a fan of fishing, Paraguay is probably one of the best places in the world to practice such a sport. In terms of infrastructure, it's steadily improving. It's not the best, I know, but it's improving with better English signage and services becoming more available around the city. Tourist sites are never crowded, giving you space to enjoy museums and historic buildings at your own pace. But let's say that instead of South America, you would prefer a Mediterranean town in Europe, where sunshine comes together with healthy food and low cost of living. Sounds enticing, right? So check my most important video ever about the best cities to live in Europe. It's by far our greatest video, and you can watch it by clicking this icon here at your left. Enjoy my Patreon for all the sources, charts, and maps from our videos, plus a chat, so I can answer your questions. Tier 2 includes my top 3 ebooks on living and retiring abroad. Scan the QR code today.